Joe Gocher, Alliance Auto Care here. We are going to dive into what it takes to do a full chassis restoration on a G500 Cabriolet. Walk with me on this. This is a 1998 truck that came into us from Canada, believe it or not. There's a couple things you're going to notice on this that it looks really shiny, and it's not always like this from the factory. What you're seeing here is a result of this thing being completely stripped down to the bare frame. We've actually taken the chassis and frame and sent it out and had it completely sandblasted. We fixed some of the rusted and corroded parts of it with new sheet metal, new material. We get a lot of that from Mercedes, and it really makes the chassis come back to life. With that, we go through and we address everything on this truck. Nothing is left untouched. So once we have the chassis completely coated, we do the same thing with all the control arm, suspension, even the drive shafts. We get these serviced and we coat these so they look brand new again. Every rubber joint on this chassis is new, so what you're going to see is even the hardware. We take the time to coat the sandblast and coat the hardware. We've got new bushings, spacers, tubes, even for the body mounts. You have to have it going together and have it feel right and tight going down the road. Other things you're going to notice on this. The transfer case, it came out of the truck. We completely took this apart down to the bare case. We resealed it, new seals, new mounts for the T-case. There's 3 on this. It's all brand new. So when this gentleman gets back in this truck, it's going to look and feel new again. That's the goal. On this, we also pulled the transmission off, completely went through it and serviced it. The engine did not need a whole lot. These M113s are super robust and super reliable. They don't look all that pretty because it's a magnesium intake and magnesium valve covers, but we did pull the upper and lower oil pans off and resealed those and went through and just made sure that plugs, wires, all the usual stuff is fresh on this. It's still going to get a water pump and a belt and all that. The power steering gearbox. This is a big one for G Wagon owners that not a lot of people consider, is these guys always leak over time. What happens is the bearings and bushings inside of this slowly wear out and they start spewing fluid down. This is a high mileage truck, but we actually have a place locally that rebuilds these for us at roughly a quarter of the cost is what Mercedes charges. I think Mercedes is getting, $4,500, $5,000 for these boxes. Pretty ridiculous, especially when we can have them refurbished in like new condition again. So other things that we've done going around the truck, you're going to notice we have new springs on this. We're running G Wagon overlandings, factory height springs. These are great. I use these on a lot of my trucks, particularly on cabriolet, short wheelbases, and city-driven trucks, because they make the truck sit correct and they offer a slightly firmer ride, which holds it up off the bump box. So really, really nice product there. We are also going to run the Bilstein remote reservoir stainless steel shocks. Great complement to these. They look right, they fit right. The reservoir gets mounted, when everything's all back together, kind of in that location. So it looks really tight. My technicians also went through all the things like the heat shielding and whatnot. We clean all that up and make sure it's not corroded. I think one of these they actually made from scratch because I had a bunch of rust on there and whatnot. So things like that. Other little things that since we're here, you're going to notice all the rubber brake lines. We always get rid of those. Everything on our trucks are braided stainless steel. So the brake lines, the diff lock lines, anything that has to do with safety gets replaced. Even the fuel lines, we also took care of those too. So super important. Moving on down the rest of the truck, it is everything kind of as it seems. My guys, you see they taped a couple little spots here. They noticed that the sealant didn't go all the way inside, so they're going to take care of that before everything goes back together. Fuel sending unit, all little stuff like that gets all squared away. I mean, down to the little detail. So the reason I'm showing you this, and this is really important, is if you've got a cabriolet, you have an older truck, and you're considering the cost of replacing the truck with a newer model or refurbishing this is where it starts to get interesting dollars and cents wise. To completely restore, I'm going to use this cabriolet for instance, to completely restore a cabriolet, this is a 1998 model that needs paint, needs rust repair, needs a full chassis refresh, needs the motor refreshed, wheels, tire, and the color of your choice, and have the interior completely redone, you're in a ballpark of about $150,000, plus or minus depending upon options and features and specs and whatnot. But that's kind of the budgetary number you need to work with. Now, knowing that these early trucks typically are selling for high ones, low twos at this market value, and we have seen them go up to mid twos, for a 98 through 2001 G500 cab that's not restored, it starts to make a little bit more sense, knowing that you're going to essentially get a brand new truck from the ground up in the color of your choice with the interior of your choice the top color of your choice, and it's going to be your truck at the end of the day. And it's going to be easily $100,000 less than buying someone else's used truck that you're still going to have to put some money into to get it to a similar level. So that's where the value proposition starts to come into play on this. The other reason I'm showing you this, and this is really important, is we want to put your mind into place to know that when you drop your truck off to us, we handle the thing from start to finish. Meaning, we handle the logistics getting it here. We receive the truck, we intake it, we do the full assessment on it, we talk about all the pieces and parts, dollars and cents, and time frame. And once we're in agreement, we commence with everything from start to finish. We handle it, whether it be from tires and wheels, to chassis prep, to body and paint, to interior, to final prep and exit out the door, and then shipping it back to your place. That is what we do. That's where we play. So if you've got any questions on this, or you've got a cabriolet, or a short wheelbase, or even a long wheelbase, and you're interested in having something like this done, feel free to get in touch with us. Joe Gocher, Alliance Auto Care. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and our contact info is on there as well. You can reach out to us directly. Thanks.